fans, and welcome back to the Rusty Boxcar channel. This is video 10 from our 2024 trip west. This one's in Laramie, Wyoming. This was another one of our planned stops. We actually spent the night there. And we're going to go to the historic Laramie Depot. There wasn't great filming shots from that location. They have a yard behind it, a black wrought iron fence. And so we moved a little bit south of the depot, and this train came racing through, and we just barely got turned around and got the camera out the window. Unfortunately for the lead locomotives, the camera was all foggy, so I had to pull it back in, clean the camera off, put it back out for the rest of the train. You'll see a definite switch in video quality. But this is a westbound intermodal on Union Pacific, again going through Laramie, Wyoming on June 10th, led up by 4 locomotives, 2641, 7499, 9010, 9061, and we're going to have 2 mid-train DPUs, 7162 and 7723. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it out there. If you did, please drop down below and click that thumbs up button to give us a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, either clicking the subscribe button down below, or you can hit the Rusty Boxcar logo on the right side of the screen. Drop us a comment also. We enjoy those, and we'll try to answer them as fast as we can.